Hey everybody, it's Mr. Hino here, and I'm driving across the desert in my car. Nah, I'm really not. This is just a movie maker that I used from Spike Prime and a little bit of an inventor, but today I've modified it just for those of you that have Spike Prime. So today's video, I'm going to show you how to build this, which I did not do before, and then I'm going to show you how to set up the paper and how to shoot this so that it looks like a real movie. So let me get out of this car and show you guys how this project is done. Okay, everybody, once your movie maker is built, now we're needing those two 4¼ by 11 inches of paper. And what you're going to do is just make your background. What's going to be the background for your item? And my students, this one did a bicycle with a neighborhood. You could do a car in a desert. You can do a roller coaster, a runner, a surfer, skateboarder, anything that should move. And that's going to be your item right here. And then anything that would go with the background. And then once you're done, we're going to tape both sides together so that the pictures are on the outside. And then we're ready to put this onto the movie maker. And then we're ready to tape the stationary item. We're going to ready to tape that to that 15-hole beam. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, once you're done building the movie maker, you're going to go ahead and secure or tape the stationary item right there to this black beam right there. And then we're ready to shoot your movie. Let me go ahead now and start the motor, and then we're going to watch this movie. Be prepared for this paper to be a little difficult. I usually have my students put their finger right on the paper right there just to keep it from sliding up. Sometimes it wants to slide up off of the gears right here. And then sometimes the paper will crinkle, especially where the paper gets taped right there. So just always have somebody ready to fix the background in case something happens. Okay, guys, I hope you have a fun and enjoyable time with this project. It's really cool how you can incorporate robotics with art and movie making. And I hope you have a really good time with this project and show off your creativity making all kinds of different movies with your artistic abilities. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you guys, get a real valuable experience out of this. And I'll see you in my next video. I am Mr. Hino from Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. I am out.